So here we create, using the NGSILD, two different persons. And this person, the entity, will be stored into the SparkWell endpoint. And we will show you three different primitives from NGSILD to retrieve this entity we already create. So if you see, this is the get entity by ID, and we get the JSON LD that describes the person that we inserted before. This is the get by type. So we asked for the person, and you see that there are many entities, and within this there is also the person that we created before. The last primitive, that is get by type and attributes. In this case we are asking for a person with the attribute name, and as you can see, the JSON LD contains all the entity that have this attribute, and the output contains only this attribute. So all the other attributes have been removed. That thanks to the web access control mechanism that has been implemented into SEPA, we can get access to some entity while we cannot get access to other one. For example, in this case, if we try to select to ask for people 2, we see that we cannot get access to these people. This because the ACL file forbidden the access. While if we ask to get access to people 1, that in the ACL file is specified that the access can be granted. If you see, we can get all the triples that represent this entity that has been previously inserted using the NGSILD API. So this shows the entire loop. So we can use both NGSILD API and the web access control to get and retrieve the entity, using as data storage a SparkWell endpoint with on top SEPA.